Hey guys, welcome to Digital Rajesh, and in this video I'm going to show you how to import contacts in Klaviyo. So first go to klaviyo.com/dashboard. Here we are on the dashboard. Now you have to go to your audience, and then there you can see your list and segments. Click on list, add list, and create list. Let's give it a name. Click on create list. Here you can upload your contacts. Now just click on upload and then select your contacts, the CSV file. There you go. Click on next. And then import. So you just have to wait for some time and you're done. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.